Hi everyone, it's Winston back with another origami video, and today we'll be making an easy origami, but hopefully it's still fun. It's the traditional Tie origami, and yeah, I don't have anything else to say for it, so let's jump straight into making this. As usual, taking a square piece of origami paper, we are first going to be making the kite base. So to do that, we just fold it in half diagonally, and then next we're going to fold two of the edges on opposite sides to the center line. Cool, so this is the kite base, and then we're going to flip it over, and what we're going to do next is fold the top tip down. So this isn't going to be very precise because the instructions aren't very, but about this much, I think. It's kind of eyeballing, so kind of up to here actually. The corners here would be a good guide. Cool. So then once you've done that, we're gonna fold the tip here back up. Cool, and then once we've done that, we're gonna flip our model over and fold either sides towards the center line. Cool, and then the next part, so once you fold it towards the center, is to try and open this out like so, like that. Cool, like that. Once we've opened out, and then we want to fold the edge back in. So this small corner, we're going to fold it back in. And do the same on the other side. Here. Cool, and then taking the tip here, we're going to fold it down, and underneath this spot here, this little slip, we're going to just slip it down, fold it in upon itself. Cool, as far down as you possibly can, and yeah, basically once you flip this model over, your tie is done. And depending on the origami paper you size choose, yeah, get a funky pattern tie. Yeah, just a traditional tie. would be kind of cool, I think, to put it on like a front of a card if you draw like the shirt and then put this as like a kind of 3D effect on it. Or maybe another cool thing you can do is to get a string or like get a piece of strap or something or a ribbon. You can then tie it around like some of your toys or something like that. Yeah. I don't know, do whatever you want with it, basically, is what I'm trying to say. But hope you all enjoyed making this origami. Write a comment down below to tell me how you found this video. Like this video so I know you enjoy this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other types of videos I post. And yeah, thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!